Have you ever wondered why your body feels heavy after sleeping close to the ground? Why your lips cracked as autumn ends? Or why hot, spicy soup suddenly clears your nose and makes you feel alive again? In Eastern medicine, none of these are coincidences. They are the whispers of hidden whitewash, a whitework of yin and yang and the five elements. One who understands ancient Clarion, everything, from your digestion to your emotions, begins to make sounds. Welcome to Eastern medicine and modern science. Let us explore the doctrine of the five elements and drift gently through its balance. 1. Yin-Yang, the two forces of all life. Yin-Yang display two complementary currents that weave the world together. Yin is cool, quiet, inward, and nourishing. Yang is morn, bright, actors, and outward. They depend on each other. Without yin, yang burns out. Without yang, yin grows cold and stagnant. In the body, yin governs the organs, blood, fluids. Yang governs warmth, motion, and vitality. When the two fall out of rhythm, we feel immediately fever, chill, restlessness, or exhaustion. True health is the stew boy or yin and yang breathe in harmony. 2. The five elements. The great circle of transformation. The five elements, wood, fire, earth, metal, and water, describe how all forms of energy transform and sustain life. Generating cycle. Wood feeds fire. Fire creates earth as ash. Earth is metal. Metal gathers wire. Wire nourishes wood again. Confining cycle. Wood penetrates earth. Earth absorbs water. Water soothes fire. Fire melts metal. Metal cuts wood. These two cycles, creation and control, keep the universe in perfect motion. And one grows too strong, another weakens. Mountains never sag. It's a living conversation. 3. The elements in nature. Each element connects with a direction, a season, a color, and a natural quality. Wood, east, spring, wind, green. Fire, south, summer, heat, red. Earth, center, late summer, damp, yellow. Middle, west, autumn, dry, white. Water, north, winter, cold, black. Through these correspondences, humans become a reflection of the universe, a small cosmos of a vast one. 4. The five organs and emotions. Inside us, each element lives as an organ, a sense, and an emotion. Liver, wood, eyes, anger, heart, fire, tongue, joy, spleen, earth, mouth, worry, lungs, metal, nose, grief, kidneys, water, ears, fear. When the liver, wood, is tense, it attacks the spleen, earth, causing bloating, a poor appetite. When the lungs, metal, weakened, water, kidneys, cannot be nourished, and fatigue follows. Harmony among the organs is harmony in the self.
The five flavors. Every taste carries the nature of an element. Sour, wood, bitter, fire, sweet, earth, pungent, metal, salty, water. Used properly, flavors act like gentle medicine. Spring, favor mild sweet and light sour to support growth. Summer, use a little bitter to cool heat. Autumn, balance pungent foods with moisture and sweetness. Winter, choose slightly salty and warming foods to store energy. Taste is medicine when used with awareness. The five aromas, even smell belongs to the five elements. Each aroma stirs a different organ and emotion. Fragrant or fresh scent. Wood, think of green leaves or new cut herbs. They awaken the liver and smooth the mood. Burnt or smoky scent. Fire, the smell of incense or roasted tea. Warming, spiritual, stimulating the heart. Sweet and earthy aroma. Earth, the scent of cooked rice or baked grain. Grounding and nourishing the spleen. Pungent metallic aroma. Metal, sharp, clean, like eucalyptus or mint, clearing the lungs and opening breath. Salty or oceanic scent. Water, deep, cool, reminding of rain or sea breeze, calming the kidneys and steadying fear. In traditional therapy, aroma was not decoration, it was medicine for the soul. When we breathe consciously, even fragrance becomes part of healing, reading the world through the elements. The ground, the wind, the color of your tea, all obey these laws. Sleeping too close to the earth invites damp earth energy, pulling down your yang. You wake heavy. In autumn, the dry metal wind steals moisture, leaving cracked lips and dry skin. A sip of hot ginger tea, fiery and pungent, restores warmth and opens the chest. Balance is never forced, it's simply remembered. Gai Ti, 3 gentle daily practices follow the season. Eat and rest with the rhythm of nature. Follow the sun, move with light, recover with darkness. Follow your inner voice. Small discomforts are whispers from imbalance. Listen early and respond kindly. Now, take a slow breath. Imagine the 5 elements inside you. Wood in your muscles, stretching softly. Fire in your heartbeat, warm but gentle. Earth beneath your stomach, heavy and safe. Metal in your lungs, cool and pure. Water in your kidneys, deep and quiet. They rise, transform, and flow. An endless circle of creation. You are the harmony between heaven and earth. Let your breath lengthen. Let your thoughts settle like dust returning to the soil. The seasons turn inside you. Spring in your chest. Summer in your pulse, autumn in your breath, winter in your bones. Every inhale gathers, every exhale releases. The world sleeps, and so do you. If this journey helped you see your body and nature through new eyes, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell for Eastern medicine and modern science. Next time, we'll explore the path of Qi, how vital energy moves through the meridians. Until then, breathe gently, eat mindfully, and let the 5 elements keep your world in balance.